Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. I'm sitting out here in the blazing hot sun. I guess I could move to the shade, but what I really want to do is use one of these little JisuLife portable fans just to cool myself down. Unfortunately, they are a little bit tricky to open, but luckily it's something that even I can do. So here I am out in the sun and I'm trying to get this thing open, and I'll tell you, for the life of me, I had the hardest time figuring it out the first time I opened it. So here's a little shortcut for you. There actually is a little bit of a groove here at the top of the fan, and if you stick your fingernail in there, you can just pull it forward and it will open. It's not obvious though, and if you don't have a good nail, you might not be able to do it. The second way to open it is just to sort of brute force it. This is where the USB cord plugs into. If you push hard right there, it will actually pop this open, and then once it's open enough, you can just pull it forward. Hit the power and you're in business. Well, that's all I have for today. This has been Steve for things that even I can do.